अरे वाह, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने। मुझे पर्सनली आप लोग उसको खिचड़ा कहते हैं मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली, और हम उसको हाँ सो खिचड़ी ही कहते हैं बेसिकली। सो और जो आप लोगों की एक चाय होती है जिसको आप लोग चा बोलते हैं, which is with malai. I think it's beautiful. It's just so delicious, so amazing. Um, I was actually, when I started out my music, I never thought I'll be very successful and I'll make it this big. And I'm thankful to all my fans how it has happened. But somehow or the other, I think I got busy with performances and I never took the time out for myself. Although I was writing some of the stanzas and verses of my music as well, but I couldn't release them just because of my schedule and the recordings that I have had. Um, yes, I've been very thankful to all my producers and directors and video makers and my labels as well. But I was unable to release what I wanted to release, my kind of music, because I was singing mostly for the film songs, and so it was high time. I felt obligated, and I owe it to myself more than to anybody else that I wanted to release this music.
অপটিক্যাল ব্রাইটার ফটো ক্যাটালিস্ট অ্যাক্টিভ গ্র্যানিউল সমৃদ্ধ বসুন্ধরা পাওয়ার ওয়াশ ঝলমলে কাপড়ে ফুরফুরে মন।
And I think this will be a yearly practice now, from now on, that I'll be releasing albums, inshallah.
Will you perform any new song from your album in our concert?
So we'll be releasing it in the first week of August. Shaz, can we announce that? So we'll be releasing the album, inshallah, on the 31st of July. It has 8 tracks. It's called Subha Aina. And Subha Aina has been with me for about 8 years now. I've been writing a lot of material at the same time. I've written some of the compositions as well. And during this process, I've collaborated with a lot of other musicians as well. Musicians like Raj, composers like Raj, musicians and composers like Shiraz Sopul, Ehsan Parvez Mehdi, and a few big names.
I'm asking you, will you perform any new song from your album in this concert?
Alright, so we won't be performing the new songs because obviously we'll be, right at the release. We'll be doing it after the release, inshallah. I'll come back, inshallah, again. Thank you.
हेलो आदित्य, कल के कॉन्सर्ट के लिए आपका प्रिपरेशन क्या है और कौन सा सॉन्ग आप स्पेशल गाएंगे?
जब भी देखा है कि आप लोग जो है वो बारिश हो ना हो, जैसे भी हो, आप लोग जो है वो ज़रूर उस शो पर जो है वो तशरीफ़ लाते हैं। तो उसकी तैयारी में जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने परफॉर्म किया था उससे थोड़ा सा अलग होगा ऑब्वियसली, ताकि ऑडियंस को जो है कुछ नया मिल सके। सो we'll be announcing the album as well tomorrow.
बांग्लादेश में बहुत सारे फूड्स हैं, आपको कौन सा फूड सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ का?
अरे वाह, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने। मुझे पर्सनली आप लोग उसको खिचड़ा कहते हैं मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली, और हम उसको सो खिचड़ी ही कहते हैं बेसिकली। सो और जो आप लोगों की एक चाय होती है जिसको आप लोग चा बोलते हैं, which is with malai. I think it's beautiful. It's just so delicious, so amazing. और आप लोगों की बिरयानी जो है बहुत लाजवाब। मैं दुनिया में कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो मैं सब लोगों को बांग्लादेश के खाने की बहुत तारीफ करता हूँ। मुझे कोई सबसे ज़्यादा पूछता है, वो कहते हैं आपको चाइनीज़ पसंद है, थाई पसंद है। मैं कहता हूँ नहीं, एक दफ़ा आप ज़रा बांग्लादेश जाएँ, वहाँ का खाना खाएँ, फिर मुझे बताएँ।
बांग्लादेश के बहुत सिंगर्स हैं, आप जैसे किसी को जानते हो, जैसे रूना लैला है,
जी।
काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, तो आप किन लोगों को जानते हो?
जी, रूना लैला मैम के साथ हम लोगों ने एक कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। वो भी जज कर रही थी, मैं भी जज कर रहा था। और उन्होंने जो कलाम पढ़ा हुआ है लाल मेरी बात, वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज़ अमेजिंग एंड शी इज़ अ लेजेंड एज वेल। उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा और नहायत ही नफीस खातून। Sorry? You all are my relatives. I mean, you're like a family to me. But अगर आप बात करें तो मैं ज़्यादातर जो है यहाँ पे मेरा बिजनेस सिर्फ काम के सिलसिले में ही है।
If you perform live around the world, so where is the difference between any other country and in Bangladeshi audience?
The difference is when the kind of roar that I get from you guys, the kind of response that I get from you people, it's nowhere else. Because for me to gauge an audience is when they sing my song Adat, and when they respond to that part, hey, hey, you know, when they do that, I think you guys are the loudest.
Do you have any plan to sing Bengali song from Bangladesh?
I would love to, but I don't want to ruin, you know, the song because you know I don't have that accent. So I would rather nail it first and then sing it, as of to you know any disrespect.
Hello, Atif.
Hi.
It's me. I'm from Channel I. So I have a question for you. This is related to this concert. So I have to know that pure melody and sad songs which makes our nervous system calm down. So as a person and as a singer, which songs do you listen more when you feel low or depressed or something emotionally pain?
What's your good name?
Himo.
Himo. I listen to all sorts of music. Yes, in the low times and the sad times, I listen to everything except Atlasam. But I think when I'm low and depressed, I think that is the most beautiful time when I can write music and write something. The creativity at its best, I believe, because it creates a lot of room for me to explore the lyrics and the melody and the chords, and it helps me a lot when I'm in my lonely space.
Which song is your favorite most? I just want to know that.
Out of my songs? Out of my songs. Okay, I think all my album songs that I
You know, all your
really
playbacks or some everything.
well, mostly my album songs are my favorites because they are written from my heart. And also the fact that, you know, if you talk about this album, the new album, it has a lot of my heart and soul in it. Because after a very long time, I wanted to make the kind of music that I've dreamt of, the kind of music that I wanted people to listen. So yes, I think they're more close to my heart.